Hello there. Maybe you're curious about this fruit, or you're trying to find a recipe to do it justice. I promise this easy, vegan persimmon upside down cake will satisfy you. Don't worry, just bake it. First things first, thinly slice the fuyu persimmons, about 1/8 inch or 3 millimeters thick. Next, grease the 9-inch or 22 centimeter cake pan with vegan butter or margarine. Then add a half cup or 100 grams of brown sugar. Disperse it across the pan in an even, thin layer. Layer the persimmon slices on top of the brown sugar with little overlap. In a bowl, add the applesauce, vegetable oil, and brown sugar, and mix well. Add some orange or lemon zest and some ground cardamom. Mix again. Now, sift in the dry ingredients. Then fold the mixture until it just comes together. Gently pour the batter onto the persimmons in the pan. And smooth it out. Bake the cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 38 minutes. Once out of the oven, immediately tap the cake on the counter a few times. Flip the cake onto a serving dish. Leave the pan on for a few minutes to allow the caramel to drip onto the cake. Remove the pan and serve. And there you have it, friends. It was easier than you thought, right? And much more delicious than anticipated, I hope. Thank you for trying out this recipe. If you enjoyed it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more vegan bakes. See you next time.